Hey YouTube, hey, I just wanted to share something with you. I just added this universal fit ATV snowplow to my groundhog mini dumper. It came out pretty nice. Let me show you how it looks in the back. As you can see, it went on pretty nice and clean. Very minimal modifications. I had to cut the tubing for the plow mount that would normally attach to the ATV. And you can see I put 4 bolts down through the dumper scoop to mount to the plow mounts. Pretty easy install. Come out pretty nice. Now we're going to see if this thing can plow snow. So if you have any comments, any thoughts about this setup, let me know. Talk to you later. Hey YouTube, hey, I just added a couple work lights to my snowplow. These aren't wired into the machine, these are rechargeable lights. I can take them on and off, a couple thumb screws, use them wherever I want. They come out real clean. I like them, they're not wired, there's nothing to snag on anything. I just want to share that with you. I mean, these are plenty bright enough for anything I'm doing at night with this machine. So, all right, talk to you later. Hope you like it.